Hello, I'm Deborah Dahl, and I'm going to be talking about the LFAI and Data Foundation Open Voice Interoperability Initiative, where we're developing standard protocols for agentic systems to communicate with each other. Support for employees and customers is often delegated to conversational AI systems, or bots, and this is especially true in the last couple of years because Gen AI has become so powerful and popular. But every bot is going to eventually reach the limits of its expertise, and in that case, the users will have to find another way to get the information they need. They could start all over, but that's frustrating. We want to make it possible for bots to transfer conversations at runtime to other bots who can help users with what they need. We believe the best way to do this is by means of standard protocols. In the Open Voice Interoperability Initiative, we're designing these standards. What the standards that we're designing offer is the ability for bots to collaborate by dynamically transferring ongoing conversations to another bot, one with the right expertise, saving users time and effort. One of the unique features of the standards that we're devising is that this can happen dynamically at runtime. It doesn't have to be programmed in at development time. Our standards will improve the user experience, simplify integration of new bots, and strengthen security and privacy. In this presentation, we're going to talk about a use case in the enterprise that involves three bots with different expertise: HR, inventory management, and Salesforce. As you'll see, when collaborating bots route users to the right bot and don't force a user to try to figure out where they can get help, the user experience is much smoother. This approach also improves the security and privacy of the overall system because certain kinds of sensitive data like HR information can be isolated in authenticated bots rather than held in one comprehensive bot. In our example, as I said, we're going to have an HR bot that has employee information. It knows about payroll policies and it knows about paid time off balance, and it can protect sensitive and private information like salaries. Then we have a ServiceNow bot that knows about product information and handles service tickets. Finally, there will be a Salesforce bot which has customer contact information. All of these are pretty distinct areas of expertise, and it makes a lot of sense to have different bots do these jobs. Now we're going to show a working demonstration of these three bots and a coordinator bot helping an employee named Gerald with some tasks.
Hello, Gerald. How can I assist you today?
I need to talk to HR about my PTO time, how much I have left.
Sure. Samuel, can you help?
I'll send you a verification code via text. Please provide the 4-digit code here.
4329.
Great. You have 14 PTO days remaining. Anything else you need?
Do you know when I'm due for a laptop upgrade?
Sure.
Nova, can you help?
Your laptop upgrade is scheduled for March 2025. Need help with anything else?
Can you schedule that and send me a notification?
I'll schedule your upgrade and ensure you get a notification. Anything else?
I need to schedule a call with Jerry Smithton, a Zoom call.
I'll transfer you to someone who can help with scheduling calls.
I can help with that. Do you mean Jerry Smithton from Coca-Cola or UPS?
UPS, please.
Great. Scheduling a Zoom call with Jerry Smithton from UPS now. Anything else you need?
If possible, do it between 2 and 4 next Wednesday.
Zoom call scheduled for next Wednesday between 2 o'clock and 4 p.m. Anything else?
No, that's all. Thanks a lot.
You're welcome. Goodbye, Joel.
Gen AI bots are demonstrating a lot of value in the enterprise, but users can experience friction when they need to transition among bots. As we've seen in our demo, standards will make it possible for bots to take over a conversation without creating a lot of work for the user. The simplest way to do this is through standardized messages that support collaboration among bots. In the end, we'll have a faster, smarter, and more efficient support system for anyone who works with the enterprise, whether they're employees, customers, or vendors.